Hi friends, welcome to awesome Hot Wheel Racing.
Yes, it was an awesome Hot Wheels racing.
Welcome to Mana Diecast Racing by Master Wycliffe Manapur, run by Mummy, and the random commentary by me, Mr. Turtle. Today we're going to be racing 11 racers picked by Mummy on a straight rainbow track. No turns here, so we can't get it wrong. Then later on, we'll be bringing in 5 brand new racers, so stick around for the unboxing and final race. Plus a special shout out at the end after we announce the winning team.
All right, because my son would not let me race these guys last time, I have specifically pulled them out to race this time round. And I've given him 5 from the Mario Kart edition, all villains. Okay, so little man here, come. Hold on.
In the car.
Okay, cool. You're gonna wear that?
It looks like a mythic fable in the cars.
Oh, okay, alright.
It's doing with Penna Promise Scary.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cause Superman
Hold on.
in the car.
We're calling this a test run because we never got to see who finished, but let's introduce the scoreboard. It's new and we trialing a point system. We also still figuring out what we doing. So today, we counting the points per racer in their own Disney Marvel category and Mario category to find the winner with the most points. Straight into race 1 on lane 1, 2, 3 is Iron Man, Mr. Incredible, and Superman. Then lane 4 is Mime, and in lane 5, Thing from Fantastic Four.
1, go!
Dang, that was crazy close. Even on the slow motion, all 5 of them were neck and neck. But second place looks like May, and third is Thing pushing that beeper. Meanwhile, Mr. Incredible from lane 2 took that home.
Number 2, Mr. Incredible is our winner.
Quick peek at the scoreboard point shows Mr. Incredible leading, but it's only the beginning. On to race 2. Our racers just switched lanes with Superman 1, Thing 2, Red Panda 3, Mr. Incredible 4, and Iron Man 5.
Alright, ready?
Superman leading and Mr. Incredible close behind, but the power-ups knocked Superman and 2 other racers out. Then Thing zooms into first place. Look at that slow-motion replay.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, is right, but here is our winner. Thing from Fantastic Four and second place, Mr. Incredible. Now the crash cam inspection shows Superman hit by a bomb. Mime slipped on a banana and Iron Man, who had no heart, was struck by lightning. Ironic. Get it?
Okay, Mummy's stepping in with the commentary, and it shows that Incredible is leading on the scoreboard with 7, and then Thing with 6. So on to the next race.
Thanks, Mama Mummy. Race 3, and we got Mama and Wywie tussling over whether Black Panther is in the race.
No, we're going
I decided no from Wycliffe.
Black Panther in place. Mummy wants to do Black Panther.
Nice
Thank
Black
you.
Panther stays in lane 5, with Thing in lane 1, Superman lane 2, Iron Man lane 3, and May the Red Panda in lane 4.
Other guys.
2, 1, go!
Superman and Thing are fighting for first place with May close behind. Replay shows Superman tripped on a power-up, but wait up, what's this? Is that Donkey Kong sitting at the finish line? Thing zooms in first. Then Black Panther comes in hot but gets struck by lightning and falls off the track. That's diabolical. Now, a slow-motion freeze frame to reveal May as second and Iron Man smashing into Donkey Kong for third place. There's Black Panther sizzling on the sidelines. After a shock like that, can you blame him?
The trip is
Electrocuted and ended up down here with the...
Wakanda will be okay, but now to celebrate Thing from Fantastic Four and a look at the scoreboard. That victory just put Thing in the lead with 10 points and Mr. Incredible second with 7, although he missed a race.
Already started.
4,
Racing our dudes.
5.
Who is it? Can you tell us who that is?
Don't worry, I got it. We got Mario villains on the track, and it's Bowser lane 1, DK lane 2, Wario lane 3, Shy Guy lane 4, and Dry Bones lane 5.
3,
Let's go!
2, 1, go!
Bowser out in the lead, everyone goes over the bump. Bowser trips over a power-up, and Donkey Kong in lane 2 steals first place, Shy Guy second, leaving Bowser in third. That's an insane loss for Bowser, but Wario tripping over a banana and Dry Bones being electrocuted is definitely a bigger L. Let's give it up for our winner, Donkey Kong, and see the scoreboard reflecting their points.
Here's number 2. Number 2 is... Donkey Kong. Good job.
It's Mummy here reading the scoreboard, and it shows that Donkey Kong is leading, but we've still got mixed races to go and then to tally up everyone's points. It could be anyone's race.
3, 2, 1.
Hold up, little man. We got Bowser lane 1, Dry Bones lane 2, Donkey Kong lane 3, Wario lane 4, and Shy Guy lane 5. Everyone in standard carts too. Let's go!
Go! Oh, that's a trap!
Wow! Okay, so replay shows DK taking the lead, Wario and Bowser on his tail. But what? 3 taken out by power-ups? Nah, that's crazy. And what's this? A bomb-man was already set on the track. Was someone sabotaging Bowser's chances? Is that even allowed?
Oh, Days, what the heck?
I know, man.
Number 5 is... Shy Guy.
I don't know. That win is a little fishy, but Shy Guy takes home the winning points and Donkey Kong second.
Oh no,
Here. Oh, man.
the warrior is stuck.
Let's rewind, though, and freeze the crash cam. Bowser steaming over that bomb. Dry Bones smacked in the face with a green shell, and Wario tires taken out by a red shell. Rough gig. Now over to the scoreboard.
Mummy back to read the scoreboard, and you can see Shy Guy and Donkey Kong are tying with 7 each. And then we gave Bowser 3rd place because we believe that if the bomb wasn't there, he probably would have made it 3rd place.
That makes sense.
But would you call that sympathy points?
We call that playing fair.
Me too. Race 6.
Whoa! Rewind and pause, man. Race 6 is mixed with Mr. Incredible lane 1, Black Panther lane 2, Wario lane 3, Dry Bones lane 4, and Bowser in lane 5. Bowser, Panther, and Mr. Incredible are neck and neck. Bowser and hits a power-up takes first place and triggers 2 traps, while Wario barely skims by activating 2 more and taking 2nd place. What a race! No 3rd place this round.
Yes, the Black Panther stuck. Oh, yes, the Black Panther stuck. It's with bananas.
He is stuck, but celebrating lane 5's winner, Bowser.
Okay.
Checking on Mr. Incredible, who took a bomb head-on. Black Panther, though. This guy took a green shell in the head, did a 180 in the air, and landed in Wario's lane, slipping on a banana. A double whammy. And Dry Bones wiped out by that deadly red shell.
We've now got an updated scoreboard showing all our races. Bowser's winning points have put him in 2nd place just by 1 point, but Thing is still leading as 1st, with 3 races tying for 3rd place. On to race 7.
Also, if you've made it this far into our video, please hit that like, subscribe to our channel, and save this playlist. And don't forget to comment your favorite racer or who you'd love us to try and race next time.
Make sure they're a Hot Wheels racer.
Okay, just 1.
Little Wycliffe mixing it up for race 7. We got Incredible in lane 1, Bowser lane 2, Iron Man lane 3, Wario lane 4, and Thing lane 5.
3, 2, 1, go!
Avengers leading, but oh my gosh! Slow motion camera shows the whole Avengers team got taken out by power-ups. Not a good day for Team Marvel.
But it's a great day to be a Super Mario villain.
That it is Mama Mummy. Let's listen to Little Wycliffe's and Mummy's commentary.
Thing stuck.
Our winner is Bowser again.
Hey, he's definitely on a mission to be on top.
Oh, but who? What happened? Thing. Oh my goodness. So we've got Thing is stuck. He got struck by lightning, and what happened to Iron Man? He slipped on a banana. Mr. Incredible got blown up by a bomb.
We got 2 more races to go before unboxing some new Hot Wheels racers. Over to the scoreboard, and Bowser is dominating now with 12 points. Thing is close in second place. And incredible, Shy Guy and Donkey Kong are fighting for the third place. Who will come out on top? I don't know. But a quick look at the total points for Disney Marvel versus Mario Kart. And wow, Mario Kart is killing it, even though they're racing 5 karts against Marvel's 6.
Turn them around.
Good job.
Race 6 has Shy Guy, Dry Bones, and Bowser on lanes 1, 2, 3 from Team Mario Kart Villains. Lane 4 and 5 is Black Panther and Superman from Team Marvel. Let's go, guys!
2, 1, go!
Superman in the lead, but can he finish it? No way did Bowser take the win again. Replay in slow motion showing Superman zooming over the bumps, but losing speed just at the last leg, and Bowser taking first. Superman second, and Shy Guy third.
Zooming into our winner in lane 3, and it's Bowser again! He's taking all the W's today.
And all the points too. Over to the crash cam, and it looks like Dry Bones is in shambles from a green shell, and Black Panther got smacked in the head with a red shell.
So now over to the scoreboard, and it shows that Bowser is smashing everyone with 16 points, Thing is in second place, and then Shy Guy has taken a clear lead as the third place. But what's more shocking is the fact that Superman has finally scored some points.
3 to be exact.
Better than nothing, I guess.
That it is. On to our last mixed race to determine the final winners. Just a reminder, we'll be unboxing and racing 5 brand new racers after this last mixed race, so stay around for that. But what's this? We got no one in lane 1. That's atrocious, man. And then 3 in Team Mario Kart, but only 1 for Team Marvel. That's diabolical.
Well, I'll be announcing the last race, so it's Thing in lane 2, Warrior in lane 3, Donkey Kong in lane 4, and Dry Bones in lane 5. Let's get to racing.
2, 1, go!
Thing speeding ahead, Donkey Kong coming on the rear. Oh my gosh, he does it. Against all odds, he takes home a win for Team Marvel. But will it be enough to tip the scales for his team? I'm not sure. Anyways, let's celebrate our winner Thing from Fantastic Four. Now inspecting the damage, Wario got the classic slip on a banana peel. And Dry Bones was struck by lightning, presumably to make sure he stays dead in this race. Ha!
Now look at our final scoreboard, and it shows that Bowser came out on top as winner with 16 points, Thing in second place, and Donkey Kong in third.
And as a little surprise, I brought these guys. All right, what do we got?
I choose this one twist.
Yes, we got Hot Wheels Street Beast. It's got Duck and Roll, Hot Wheeler, Radical Racer, Piranha Terra, and Vampira. So
Hi, friends. We're also Hot Wheel Racing. So, basically, well, also Hot Wheel Racing.
yes, it was an awesome Hot Wheels racing. All right, can you open those? We're gonna pause, open them up. Yeah, Vampira. So this is Vampira. Of course, the bat wings.
Run
The
Jack.
colours have confused. So Hot Wheeler, the chompy chomp. Okay, his mouth opens. Okay.
Bump.
The piranha guy. Here's piranhas. Piranhas. The rubber ducky is my favorite. He's not rubber though. Okay, so let mommy have a look. This guy is called Okay.
I choose
all right.
the toilet bills. I choose the toilet bills.
Yeah. And that's the
I
piranha.
choose
You
the
choose the
toilet
piranha. Okay.
Now for our bonus race featuring Hot Wheels Street Beast. My money is on the Hot Wheeler. Piranha Terra, leading traps activated. Wait, who won? On the slow motion cam, Piranha comes in, but Duck and Roll steals the win.
Straight into the crash cam inspection, you can see Vampira got run over by a green shell. And weren't you rooting for the Hot Wheeler?
Yeah, but that red shell smacked him in the nose.
That's so funny. Well, we're going to give it up for our winner, Duck and Roll.
We're now going to announce the points and winning team of our tournament.
I'm so excited.
So exciting, all right. And the winner is... Team Mario Kart Villains with smashing 51 points. What a win. Well deserved since Bowser was gunning it the last 3 races or so. Definitely going to be doing a rematch eventually. But firstly, hit that like, subscribe to Little Wycliffe's Diecast Tournaments, and comment what cars were your favorite today.
Now for our special shout out. We want to say hi to Elia, Aine, and Amari who have been watching our mini diecast series. We hope you've enjoyed this episode, and if you'd like a special shout out in the next episode, please tag or comment your name at the bottom.
Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.